Hadian Shipos Nemba Menteri Sarkar Berim Gejala Meghalaya Uba Ane Alang Lengdo Ula Eno Eka Kamsan Pertai Bad Shimle Kun Show Ek Election MLA Narilum Zentia. Menta kekenti uni orang ba ulam mi biang ban penkre mani aireng hak election MLA kebanlong hak senam Arhajar Arpulai. Bad hak kandre terik uleber ulalet ban peneso eladia bad keseng NPP. Ha kejingelang kablalong ha office jong ke NPP kebadan halat cumia Shillong uba ne alang rengkat bat kinong yalam bat kinong kershan jungu gilalet ban peneso bat keseng NPP. Bat yaki la pedang sobha de National President ke NPP u Konrad Kongkal Sangma. Ha kabaledon lang ru kinong yalam ke NPP ki bekentup uba Preston Tensong uba senyau bahlang dhar ki MLA ke NPP bat kiwe-kiwe. U Konrad Kongkal Sangma uluong bagane kejingwan penesok kinong mikmat barim kejela syake NPP kari namar bagi i yakikam ki ba kesorkar jela kelale na kebentagi pat ba kejela bat uba ne alang ul penesok syake NPP kedai namar budon kejingshania hakane keseng. Uluong bahakisngi banwan kinsanang bon kiwe kinong yalam nagiwe pat kiseng san pertai ki banwan penesok no elade pat ke NPP. Uluong balengba kejingwan penesok kinong yalam kanang penklanco syo ke NPP. Bat ukur men scam balengba kene kejing kershan juki pat ba kejela ke NPP kan job palat lai pau teligisit hak election MLA ke Banlong hak senam Arhajar Arpulai.
Ngas ngoburom sibun bahadin kejing keren ka babunsin. Imane lang lasim ya karai ya kaban join sundan officially menta kajan meet ang nebo ke party office jongi. Ngasuka ban ong ya pi kum kinong yalam ka parti ki jongi kanang kiu na kawei ka benai sa kawei ka benai na kawei ka sngi sa kawei pat ka sngi kani kadai ka ngatrai la ta kambakla ka bangi penrung ya ki leaders ki bon join parti kadai ka meeting ka balai bat ngidang bun nang ni sa kemat ka ba ki babun ba ki banwan join nginam ya thu kerteng la pa matang sya thu la blat no kawei ka thom ka bangi bu hapok ke jalam jong National President, hapok ke jalam jong Konrad Sangma Chief Minister. Kathong kolong ikwa ban pen keladur ya ke jalam ikla jong ibarok kawai. Pilai i menta ke jisakri jong i Southland tam. Kadon ke jingkela. Ke jisak keno ro kebabun. Ana Konrad Sangma nong tu nong luti. Upros tu nong balap mi ka tu luti. Ana balik klok plan ayo nahat na dukan na po na po surok. Ray baro kita kidi tang kinia kiba Kremdon konogit. Tingi nakaliang juga parti kat bakin nang keno kat banang sya krenben kata kanang aimen sim yani bangin tray ban syakri yagi paiba.
For years we have been working tirelessly on many important issues that are important to the state. Issues that have been neglected for many years. Issues like the border issue. Issues like the coal mining issue, where mining was banned by the NJT and the past governments did not take any steps to go ahead and open it or lift the ban and go for scientific mining. But today, not only has the ban been lifted, we are very close to even starting the scientific mining. Today I was replying in the House. Today in the House I was replying and telling the people, telling this House, that we have 17 applicants who have filed for prospecting license and they've been given the prospecting license, and now the exploration is going on. And I'm very sure that at the pace at which things are moving, may not be all the 17 in one go, but we will see that few of these will be able to get their mining lease and also get their mining plan approved and be able to start scientific mining in the state in a very short period of time. It is a big challenge for us, but we are committed to the people of the state. Yes, we have faced challenges and difficulties, but we have always kept our spirits high. We've always ensured that we always keep the interest of the people of our state in front of us. We've always ensured that we listen to people, whether it's political leaders, whether it's the public, whether it's civil society. This government and the party has been somebody and an organization that has always believed in listening to the people. And that is the reason why today so many people are coming forward and supporting the National People's Party and strengthening the party so that we can come out victorious in the next election. And I'm sure that by the kind of support that we're getting from each and every one of you, the National People Party, the NPP, will come out victorious in the coming election, and we will get more than 30 seats in this coming election in 2023 is what I'm very, very sure about.